Get a distraction-free view on your laptop by mastering full-screen shortcuts and taskbar settings in under 2 minutes. Whether you're watching a movie or working in a browser, clearing away borders and menus helps you focus on the content that actually matters. Let's start with a common media player, like VLC. Notice the window borders and the top menu bar currently taking up valuable screen real estate. When you have a video playing, these interface elements can be quite distracting, especially on smaller laptop screens. To instantly enter full screen mode, simply press the F11 key on your keyboard and see how the borders immediately vanish, leaving only your video. If F11 doesn't work, try holding the Fn key plus F11, as some laptops require the function toggle for media keys. Pressing F11 again toggles the view back to a windowed mode, which is the fastest way to switch between multitasking and immersive viewing. But what if you want to keep your windowed layout, but hide the Windows taskbar at the bottom? Right-click on an empty space on your taskbar and select Taskbar Settings to go directly to the Personalization menu in Windows. Scroll down to the bottom of the list and click on Taskbar Behaviors to expand the hidden options. Check the box that says Automatically Hide the Taskbar, and notice how it immediately slides out of view, giving you extra room at the bottom of every app. To bring it back, just hover your mouse at the very bottom of the screen. It's the perfect balance between accessibility and a clean workspace.